Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. It's the Moony Moon. Oh, they even have craters and everything. Dang. Ooh, it's... Wait, what is it? Oh my goodness. It's Root Bear. It's Dope Bear. We got... Oh my god, it's a mini stump. This is my home now. Bro, I swear, that Pickle says that this update's trash. And he says it's scuffed. It's not scuffed. I would prefer this update than the last update. That's how good this update is. I don't know what stuff that Pickle's on. Oh god, don't. Oh! Oh god, God, Bozo fell. I just pushed the Bozo off.
I forgot what the next update is. I'm not gonna look at the game.
Whoa!
Yeah, you forgot what the next update is because you don't know.
Yeah, you don't. Guys, we got.
And I know you're not.
Wait, what? Oh, Howler's laboratory.
Actually having zero gravity in the complain.
Bro, fine, bro. No exit. Go into the vent.
Wait, it's level 2. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my god, this man is faking being the creator of that. Isn't that bannable? Isn't that bannable? Is that a piece of cheese? Is that a piece of cheese? Okay, it's not a piece of cheese. I'm being doofy. Whoa, what is this?
Yeah, how to teach you how to be a
What is this? It's like a crack on the floor. What? Bozo really fell.
Bro, I'm Bro, he's on the ground.
Bozo fell.
Bro, did he even put it in the thing yet? Did he even put it in the TV?
Bro, stop faking the thing. Oh my
put it in
goodness.
the CD yet? Bro, did he even put it in the CD?
Bro, hey buddy. Can you stop pretending to be the creator of this game?
Yeah, bro. For real, bro. I told him to stop. Hey, and
He's like, I'm not gonna tell you the update because it's Ooga Booga. Shoot him. Wait, how? Oh wow.
You never die in there.
Can I touch your body?
I already seen this.
No, I am water. I'm not.
Bro,
Stop freaking faking, bro.
This one too, bro.
Wait, what?
This one too.
I made the map even worse.
Oh god.
I think because people have been complaining.
Hey, stop block. Hey, I'm scared. I'm scared to enter.
Scaredy cat. Look at the polar bear.
Oh my god.
You can't get jump scared.
Move!
Okay, let's get
Jesus!
How do you go to the vent and Guys,
you go into
Alright.
the vents
Yeah, click on this.
do that.
Yeah, and then go over here.
Guys,
the red.
Now the monster wants me. Guys, the monster wants me.
I'm a new player. I'm a new player.
Go come here, the monster wants me.
I know the monster's chasing me.
Look it, the monster wants me. No game, no name, no game.
Watch it chase me. Oh my god, it's chasing you.
I created. I helped.
Is he after me?
My creator, I mean, like I helped.
Alright, I'm just gonna go find the exit.
How'd I do this? Don't be scared, kids. Hey, somebody see
My creator, I mean, I helped.
I'm just gonna find the exit. Don't mind me. I'm gonna find the key card. Don't mind me. This gives me captured memories. Oh my goodness.
What happened?
I just bonked. Can you run with one hand? I can't do that. This is how I run with one hand like this.
Where did we
I kind of just,
Where did he go?
I kind of just flick my wrist. That's how I run with one hand.
Cause I'm kind of new. I'm not new. But I'm new at this update. I'm new at
Me
this
too.
update.
My brother that Poco says it sucks. I prefer this update more than the other one.
What's wrong? Yo, guys, tell me about this update.
Chasing me.
Bro, wait. For me, it's not.
This is chasing me. The entity's chasing me.
They can't even get me. That's ridiculous.
The entity was chasing me. It was chasing me.
I got the bacon. Say.
Goody monster.
Hey, guys.
Hey! Hold up. There we go. Dong.
Hold up.
No, I don't have that. No, I don't have that. Add a bonking sound.
I don't know. Why I added sound effects.
I don't have that. I don't have to add the bonking sound anymore. I could just go like. Hold up. Lego brick sound. I gotta add the Lego brick sound.
Come here, buddy. I made the bonk. I gave them the bonking.
Oh, you did it?
Sound
Oh, it's this guy. He's trying to be the creator of this game.
I'm not.
You
I'm
said
just
you
saying
added
I
the
gave
bonking
them
sound.
the sound
What are you
effect.
talking about?
No, I just gave it to them on Discord. That's
Oh,
it.
stop chasing me. Yeah, I don't have to
They never
edit
gave me
it
credit.
because I could just, I could just go like this.
Follow him.
I could just go like this. I could just go like this.
Hey guys,
Hold
there's
up,
no
move.
exit.
I could literally just go like this. I don't have to add a sound or nothing. I don't have to add a bonk sound anymore like I did in.
Bonka.
What type of crap was that? I just heard a like the and then the fort sound.
Hey, so you're new. I got my weapon attack.
I got my monkey fist.
Wait, guys, get out. We gotta get out. Potions. Gotta get out.
What?
We gotta get out. Potions.
How do you get out of here, by the way? How do you get out of
Follow
here?
me. I know the way out. You gotta come. Same. There's actually no
Oh, I bunked
exit
him.
besides the way you came. Nope, the monster. The monster. That's my monster bitch. Guys,
The monster is a brick.
Guys, what are you guys running from? He's this way? On the right exit.
Bro, how do you beat this?
Exit.
How do you beat this? There is no exit? Then what's the point of coming here?
Just stay here.
I don't believe that.
I'm serious. Hey, yo, chill.
What?
Oh wow, entrance again. Y'all know how to escape level 1?
Bro, he's not here for me. He's stuck in the wall for me. He's stuck in the
Oh well, I'm gonna break the monster's ankles. I'm gonna break his Lego bricks and steal them. Now I'm gonna break his Lego brick. Oh my
You're
goodness.
chasing him.
I'm gonna break his Lego bricks and then I'm not even gonna steal them. Guys, I'm gonna break his Lego bricks and I'm not even gonna steal them anymore.
Bro, wait. Guys, we gotta go. What is there?
Man trying to beat Levi Ackerman. The flying fidget spinner.
This one or is there?
Nah, bro. Do we got Aaron Yeager? Nah, bro. We got Jagger McGregor.
There's only one.
We got Levi Ackerman. No, we got flying fidget spinner.
Laboratory, there's only
Do
one.
we got Mikasa Ackerman? No, we got overprotective sister.
No!
Do we got Armin Arler? No, we got
Is there another level?
we got
Or is this the only
Nerdy.
level? No, there is not. No, there is not. Hey. Oh, okay.
Hey, buddy.
So you can just walk around here. It's fun.
Oh wow.
Bro, guys, watch me. Guys, watch me do this. Everyone, did you get me? Go back to where you belong. Hey, yo, chill.
Bro, hey, yo, chill. He was on me. No, he
What's
was
so
on me.
bad about it? What?
Wait, he was
I don't get it.
I'm gonna shoot you, jelly bean.
Lego bricks stolen? Lego bricks stolen? Not this anymore. He's fine. He's not coming after us. He's over there. He's not coming after us.
Guys, just escape. Go to where you belong.
I don't know. If you don't come here, you're a hillbilly. Oh, that made him mad. Oh, wait. Bozo.
You got flavor.
I'm gonna go to another server.
Hey,
Bozo.
I'm gonna go to another server.
Bozo. Oh my god, man.
Bro, can you leave me alone one time for Ramon? Guys,
Hey, bud.
guys, he's switching up for me. Go. Yeah, you.
Come after me,
That's what I
hillbilly.
said. That's what I had. La. Oh my.
I don't think the monster.
He's down there. He's down there.
Freaking moon. Where's the Ooga Booga monster at? Oh, there he is.
Guys, help me.
Why is he coming after you?
Stop.
Leave the server.
Man really trying to be personal about this, bro.
Sticky Socks, you went here first.
Why me? What, bro? See, this is always me.
Bro, bro.
You went
You did
inside
something
this
to him,
map
that's
first.
why.
You went inside this map first.
Sticky Socks.
What? You went